Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact blockchain.com support. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, I'll go to my web browser. Now navigate to blockchain.com website. Now log into your blockchain.com account. When you try to log in every time, you should verify your device first. We'll send you the verification link in the email. Once it verifies, it will open up your account. Now in order to contact the blockchain.com support center, here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select settings from here. Now scroll down to the bottom and here you can see chat with support option. Tap on it. Here you can see submit a request option. Tap on this drop down list. You can select the category of your issue over here. If you want to send a customized message, here you can see submit a complaint option. Tap on it. Now from here you can submit your request. Now from here you can submit a request through which you can contact blockchain.com support center. Here you'll need to provide your valid email address, your first name, your last name, you can mention the subject, and you can write your customized message over here. If you are facing any issues or errors, then you can even upload the attachments over here. And once you are done customizing all your messages, you can tap on the submit button and your message will be submitted. After that, blockchain.com support center will review your messages and come up with a response. So that's it. That's how you can contact blockchain.com support center. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.